Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, we are trying out another new product. This product is by Camille Rose. It is an extension of their Guava Slip line. They introduced actually two new products to their Guava Slip line during Black Friday. It was a extreme hold gel, this right here. Now I have already done my review on this one. I will have it linked up above so you can check it out after this one. But today, y'all, we are going to be trying out the Guava Slip, the Hold Up Setting Mousse. And this is what it looks like. Now I have already done my wash day. I used the detox shampoo from the Sacred line, and then I went in with the hydrating shampoo. Then I went in with their hydration conditioner here, and lastly I went in with the moisturizing deep conditioner here. I actually have two packets, but I did use the full packet and I threw the other paper away, so this is why I'm showing you this one. And there is no product currently in my hair because I wanted to try the mousse on its own to see how it will do with my hair. Let's go ahead and take this plastic cap off so I can show you guys what my hair looks like without any product in my hair. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is still like super duper wet. So let's go ahead, take my hair down. I have already put my side part in, but this is what my hair is looking like. My hair looks good, it feels good, it has some definition in it as well. Looks really good. My hair feels soft, moisturized, and all the things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put it back up, because I'm going to start in the back and work my way up to the front. All right, so let's go ahead and get this styling party started. So we are starting on these two sections right here. Let's go ahead and, well, first of all, this is how much we are starting out with. So let's see how much mousse we use for my whole wash and go. So I'm just going to go in with 2 pumps right now, and it does seem pretty fluffy and pillow softy. It smells really good, y'all. It smells really good, very tropical like. So let's go ahead and add it. Now it goes on really smooth, and I am able to, you know, slightly finger detangle. It's not that slippery, but it does feel moisturizing, and it won't let me get through this tangle here. I think I got it. All right, so this is what that section looks like with 2 pumps. Okay, not too shabby. Let's put the rest on this section, and we'll definitely have to go in with some more pumps for this one. All right, let's go in with 1 pump. All right, so there we are. There we are. Not too bad. The white is slowly going away. I do have really, really good definition. So we are just going to continue on through my sections, y'all. And once I am done, I'll come back and let you see my wet results. All right, y'all, so these are my wet results, and I will say I do like the way that my hair is looking. I have really good definition, have lots of shine. So this seems promising, but of course we have to see how it's gonna look once it dries completely. I think I'm just gonna let it air dry for a little while and then possibly maybe diffuse, maybe sit up under my hooded dryer. Not really sure, but I know that I am going to air dry for a little while. And I did also want to add that in some sections of my hair when I was applying the mousse, it was kind of hard for me to detangle, so I had to kind of work it a little bit. So I will say that the mousse is not really great for detangling sections that have curled back up or tangled back up. So if you want to, you can detangle it first and then add the mousse. And also, this is how much of the mousse that I used. So I am down to here, and it was up here. So I feel like I could get a lot of uses out of this mousse, which, you know, usually you can get a lot of use out of mousses, but I feel like this may be comparable to others. So I will be back once my hair has completely dried. All right, y'all, so it is hours later and my hair has completely dried, and I just went ahead and let my hair air dry. I had a few things I needed to do around the house, so I was just like, let me just let it air dry. Now I will say that my hair feels like it does have a hold. It's not crunchy or anything, and as you can see, I do have shrinkage, which I'm not mad at because I like to stretch my hair anyway. But the definition is really, really good, y'all. This is what it is looking like. So what I'm going to do is, y'all, I am going to band my hair with my satin scrunchies. And as I am banding, y'all, I don't see any flakes. Phew, because after the last wash and go debacle, I was a little nervous, but so far so good, y'all. And my hair feels really soft, y'all. Feels really good. All right, y'all, so got our satin scrunchies on, and I'm gonna put this bonnet on, and I will see you guys tomorrow, and we will see how day 1 looks with the mousse. All right, y'all, so it is the next day. Let's go ahead and take the bonnet off and see how our wash and go is looking on day 1. Alrighty, y'all. So as I am zhuzhing and fluffing, we don't have any flakes. Woo! But that looks good. I love the definition, y'all. It's giving volume and definition at the same time on day 1. So far, so good. Alright, y'all. We are looking absolutely wonderful. Ooh. Now y'all, this is what I'm talking about. Now, as I am zhuzhing, like, I do see like a float here and there, but I don't mind that, y'all. What I do mind is when we have Flake City, like snowstorm type vibes. But this right here, ooh, do y'all see that? This looks really good. And I will say, like, I still feel like I have like a hold on my hair without having like the crunch and everything with it. Like, I have a good hold. Do y'all see the definition? Looks really good, y'all. So listen, this is what we are looking like for day 1. I will come back tomorrow so we can see what day 2 looks like. So just stay tuned. All right, y'all, so it is day 2 of this wash and go, and this is what we are looking like. And I did not put satin scrunchies on my hair last night to band them. I just put my bonnet on, and I did not stretch or anything. I just took the bonnet off and just shook it out. And I am not mad at it. Like, I feel like this wash and go looks really, really good. It has lots of movement to it. Super duper great definition. And I will say that I do see like little floaties like here and there, but nothing compared to what I got from the Extreme Gel. If you haven't checked that video out yet, go ahead and check that out after this one. But I'm not mad at it. I feel like this is a really good wash and go. So yeah, y'all, this is day 2. All right, y'all, so this is day 3 of this mousse wash and go, and this is what we are looking like. I did not use satin scrunchies last night. I just put my bonnet on, and this morning I just zhuzhed my hair, and this is what we are looking like, y'all. Not bad. I love the definition. I love the volume at the same time. My hair feels soft. It still has lots of movement to it. So yeah, y'all, so far so good. This is day 3. I'll come back tomorrow just to kind of see what day 4 looks like and just to wrap up the video. So stay tuned for day 4. All right, y'all, so this is day 4 and this is what we are looking like. Now, I will say we have more frizz in this section here, but I will say that is due to me because the way I was being a little rough, putting on my sweatshirt, taking it off and just putting it back for my workouts and everything. So with that being said, I feel like I could have gotten another day out of this Mousse Wash and Go. Because I do still have lots of definition. My hair still has the movement to it. The volume is good. So I will say that I prefer the mousse over the extreme gel that I use from this line. I'm kind of scared to pair them both together because I feel like I'm going to get like the snowstorm that I did from the extreme gel. So I probably won't be pairing them together, but I am interested to see how this Guava Slip mousse will pair with the leave-in conditioner from that line. So I may try that combo out. But as far as the mousse alone, I would definitely use it again on its own. And I'm curious to see how it compares to other mousses that I have tried. Now, I will say that I do know that Camille Rose does have mousses from other lines that I have not tried before, so I really couldn't compare it to those. But I do have like the Doom mousses and everything, so that might be interesting to see how they compare to each other. Comment down below and let me know if you'd like to see that particular battle. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.